Yummy. How are you? How are you feeling now? Are you okay now, sweetie? Wow, Yummy is playing again now. I think he's feeling much better now after 3 nights of having a fever. Yummy is building the number blocks. Right? Is your tummy still sick? Do you still feel hot? You pray that the fever will not come back. Okay? Look at your lips. Oh, it's so dry. You should drink a lot of water, okay? Drink your water too, sweetie. Drink your water. Your lips are so dry, oh. Continue to pray for Yummy. Tuloy-tuloy na ang kanyang paggaling. Not feeling well. Mommy's not feeling well too.